Alright guys, so I might actually, depends on how things pan out, but this might be the intro right here. I need a filler video because I have a really good weekend video, but man, geez, I gotta focus on where I'm pointing the camera. But it's gonna take me a little bit to edit, and I like putting the video out at least on, on Friday and Saturday. So if this one's quick, I can just throw it in there. But this is a first. I have never played, or if I have, it's been a long time. Played for a $10 bill. I think there used to be a time they had 20s, but you just don't see them anymore. Jeez. I'll say you can keep it. No, you can keep it. You can keep it. I drop it all the time. But thank you. No, thank you. You could have. Almost there. Definitely don't want to spend over 10 to win 10. I never can figure out which side I need to throw it. Maybe just. Alright, hold. Come on, baby, come on. Oh. Jeez, it's so crazy. Going backwards. Now you explain to me how that's happening. This was supposed to be a quick video. I don't know what in the world. All that needs to happen is that that right there fall down. Then it should be on the angle and good to go. Come on, baby. Huh? That's why I said I don't know what side to drop it. Jeez, I'm almost out of quarters already. That's crazy. That's start off with a lot of quarters. This is awful. Awful, awful, awful. I think that's the last quarter. It is. Ah. Oh, and there goes quarters all over the ground. I wish I could have someone either hold the phone or stack up all the. Jeez. All right, let me grab. That just has to come down. I do not want to get change either. Come, no. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. Oh my gosh. All right, come on, baby. See how it's going backwards? What is the deal? Oh, and it's stuck in there. Oh, and it's stuck in there.
Oh, and it's stuck in there.
We gotta try to get that down. I think we got it down, guys. All right. Yeah, this is definitely 8 minutes. Very little cuts. Guys, I got a really cool weekend video coming out. So keep an eye out for that. But outside of that, guys, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And I look forward to talking to you all. Look how that quarter landed. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Follow, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And let's go grab our that's gonna fall. Here, let's take this last quarter that's Alright, guys. There it is. Well, I can officially say with this 10 in back, we are up. So I'll take it, even if it's only back a couple dollars. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.